Assalamu alaikum students, this is me, your English teacher, Miss Madhiha Ehsan Sharif. The topic of today's lecture is synonyms and antonyms. So let's begin with synonyms. Synonyms are words that look and sound different but have similar meanings. You can see in the picture clearly that the people are jumping, jump, and in the other picture you see a person is jumping. So hop and jump are the same meaning words. Now, how to apply synonyms in a sentence? Here you see examples. Example number 1. She is a beautiful lady. You see the word highlighted, beautiful. The next sentence, that is, replace, the beautiful word is replaced by a similar word or synonym, stunning. Number 2. Light the fire, it is getting dark. Similarly, light the fire in sentence 2 is being replaced by a synonym, set fire to the wood. So, the synonyms are similar meaning words. So here we have the list of synonyms to memorize, as it will help you to enhance your vocabulary, and they are also useful to improve your reading and writing. Antonyms. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meanings. For examples, you see in the picture below, joyful, gloomy, so that have opposite meaning. The words which are opposite in meaning are antonyms. Let's apply antonyms in the sentences. Example number 1. She is a beautiful lady. She is an ugly lady. See, the beautiful word is replaced by an antonym, the opposite word, ugly. Example 2. My glass is empty. My glass is full. The word empty is being replaced by an antonym, full. Now we have antonyms word list to memorize, as it is a good technique to remember them. Review of today's lecture. Synonyms are words that have same or very similar meanings, such as garbage and trash. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings to another words, such as hot and cold. Assignment number 1. Choose the synonyms or antonyms. Assignment number 2. Synonyms and antonyms. Fill in the blanks.